Wengane zakwethu yabo mekukhulunywa ngomuntu oyisikelemu yabona idirams abafethu sikelemu ushayo idirams abafethu yabo manje bakhuluma indaba yokuthi as ama South Africans bafuna uqinisa they are in the works already in the process ukuthi ku-increase security kwi-border into efana nalezo yabo leyo nto leyo benze sure kube ukuthi kuba ne-one way in and out eSouth Africa, meaning nje mfethu security zoba tight eMzansi especially kwi-border between iSouth Africa neZimbabwe. Hayi bamba, what about Eswatini? What about Eswatini? Okay, asisuke Eswatini. Bafethu, this person, I just saw a video of him Nomotsepe talking about the fact that they can't send, it's not easy for them to chase foreigners away from South Africa because bona banama businesses abawaranayo kuwona lamazwe njengo Zimbabwe, oNigeria, uGhana, ban. Yabo, so it's not easy for them besho live bekhuluma on stage kwi-mic enomsindo ukuthi ngebe akulula ukuthi bexoshe ama foreigners because banama business and stuff like that. Ngisengasendi comment ethi how it's not about ukuthi abantu base South Africa bahle kahle baphatheke kahle ba right inezweni labo, nina you'll only care about interest yenu nama business yenu nemndeni yenu. Today the script has flipped because now manje bekhuluma indaba yokuthi they want to increase security iborder amasosha nesibalo samasosha senyuke kuzokhushula iborder. Bafethu, since nini kunini kwakhalwa ngale border lena bese hlezi kweqoka kuyona. Recently kade kubanjwa abantu about over 1117 yabo. Recently kade kubanjwa amabhasi nama-taxi, abantu bengenela nje South Africa, bengenela nje bafethu yabo. Sesize sasajwayela senankinga, bona sebeyaqhamukayo manje sebeyasibona isidingo sokwenza umnyakazo. Bafethu sazodlala dlalo Ramaphosa, and it's going to a point where we are becoming iZimbabwe because oZimbabwe babona bekule state abakusona no Swatini kanje yilento ye dictatorship ne greed. Umuntu athe kwi leadership position kodwa abe ne greed exa kuSathana. uMgabe has led iZimbabwe for years on dictatorship, yabona. By the time Robert Mugabe ephuma in power, iZimbabwe was finished. Yabo. Nigeria same story, othini lapho bayfinishile Nigeria. Yabo lonto le. Eswatini same story. Wonke amaswati afuna independence baba yizwe banikezwa lonto. King yakhona yaba nomona bhekelela umndeni wayo ugqoka amawashe o5 million o10 million ama Rolls Royce inqwaba. Abantu bahluphekile, abasebenzi baxakekile, bayabaleka baze eMzansi. Uyayibona lonto le through lento ukuthi uye kumuntu alide ngisho ubone ukuthi akufanele, but because mhlambe uyathandwa or ini for whatever reason, and then misibaxakile lonto mase bayabaleka. Same thing ezokwenzeka nakuthina, same thing because yabo manje usenze ngathi khona umsebenzi or khona isandla afuna ukusifaka because uyabona ukuthi abantu abasayingeni indaba yakhe. Siye emabhunwini ongcono, ayikho lento. Hayi mina ngiyakutshela bafana, ayikho lento bafana, khohlwana. Kusho ukuthi ngonyaka in the next 2 or 3 years sobe sithenga isinkwa ngo-R30 ulofu. Hey nina niboni
Praise Ramaphosa ke ntwe le tsebanye ntho ya nna yo kena taba tse sa le batle ke yona ntho e le tsebang yo. This thing of le kenye dimpomolo tse tsa lona in other people's matters ke yona ntho e tsebang President Ramaphosa we. Kore you can ask yourself for a an agent meeting of Security Council of the UN concerning the action at USA. Why do you always want to involve us in things that have got nothing to do with us? This thing here, USA, that man was Venezuela. This thing of USA and Venezuela is older than your presidency. What's up, puppets are like this? Because I do know for a fact. Okay, no, not for a fact. Let me not rather say that. I have my suspicion. Mr. President Ore. When you European Union and those people there, you are not independent. You've got forces that are pushing you to make this what you call statements and getting us involved in things that have got nothing to do with us. China is quiet. Russia is quiet. Why now appeal of the BRICS nation to have to say this nonsense? I mean, this thing is about continent America, the Americas. That is the region. That is the region there. Kita batsabona de wena wa ikena wena. O khulwa ke taba tsa lapa la hao mona in South Africa. Your country matters. O khulwa ke taba tsa country ya hao Ntate Ramaphosa. Getting involved in other people's matters. Ke ntho e le tsebang lona. You can't manage your own country well in such a way that unemployment can go down, in such a way that we are not infiltrated by illegal foreigners, in such a way that you secure borders, in such a way that the young people of South Africa have got jobs and a future. And many other ailments that have exponentially grown or rather increased since you became a president. No, we're not going to America. What is it with you and America? We've never had an issue with America since up until you became a president. We've always had a cordial relationship with America. No, we're not going to America. And when you are out of office and President Trump is out of office, then there will be this problem of this relationship. And South Africa with America at odds with one another. That the next coming president must now try and fix that relationship. And restore that relationship. We've never had a problem. Mandela never had a problem. Mbeki never had a problem. Even Ubab Zuba never had a problem. No, you must be the one that puts us in at odds with America. We don't want smoke with America. Okena tabatsa America kwa. Akile menganyane bo Ntate Ramaphosa. Akile menganyane.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, South Africans are heartful and Ramaphosa. People are saying because they have no things like the fact that they're letting am phone, especially things about that, about USA. We are tons of people are just saying they are really tired of Cyril Ramaphosa. Ngiko bantu abaningi baze bathi bafuna kuvotela umlungu nyalo. This time around people are saying ukuthi hey, for a change man asike sizameni imlungu sibone ukuthi siyophathe kanjani siphile njani la South Africa because sibavotele abantu abamnyama bonke basenda amehlume nje corruption baqabangela bona kunamsebenzi ngazofika 35 bathi somdzala abaqasha ungana experience yoyithola njani experience ungakase usebenze. So people are just saying ukuthi hayi bakhathele shame ngisiri Ramaphosa nemanga akhe. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.